BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes with Mike Meloy, CEO of Data Recovery Services. Sponsored by Valley Office Solutions. Make your business fly.
Who's under your desk? Don't trust your network to just anyone. Call the networking professionals at Valley Office Solutions.
Cloud computing is the ability to deliver services on an as-needed basis through connections through the internet, secure connections through the internet. And that's really what it is, the ability to dial up services on an as-needed basis, computing power, CPU usage, storage, backup. A lot of people are using managed backup, and even email. Email is really a cloud service. Being in the cloud means that you're getting that service delivered from the internet. What's typically happened, right? A small doctor's office would have a small server at their location. A company would come out and install their medical software, practice management software on that particular server, and they would have computers that would connect to that server, and it would be on what we call an on-premise solution. The cloud has taken that software and really pushed it out to a data center, much like what DRS is offering, and those services are all delivered from facilities like this. So you just have an internet connection rather than a server at your location, but the services all come from the internet.
And what sort of redundancy, what sort of security would companies have should maybe the data center somehow lose power, there's a blackout? I mean, wouldn't that essentially eliminate all of their ability to operate?
No, absolutely not. If facilities like this don't go down, we've got generators, we have big UPS, uninterruptible power supplies. There's millions and millions and millions of dollars invested in facilities like ours to make sure we do not go down. We have 5 internet carriers that come in together, so I can actually lose up to 4 internet carriers and still be able to deliver service.
And what kind of expense would a company be looking at? Is this a pricey venture?
No, not at all. And that's the other driving factor. Many of where equipment is today, it's typically 10 times more powerful than what a typical company needs. So rather than over-investing, we just deliver a piece of that equipment. So really what we do is we build these shared, what we call server farms, and you just purchase the slice that you need for your daily business. So you're not over-purchasing, so it ends up being actually much more economical to deliver that service. And the fact of the matter is, you can dial the service up if you need more power or dial it down, much like electric power is delivered today.
And what kind of customers are getting into this now? Is it reserved for the larger, more affluent companies, or are small businesses getting into it too?
Believe it or not, we're seeing more adoption. The smaller the company, the more adoption we're seeing. The larger companies are taking off sections of their business. They haven't jumped completely into the cloud yet, but they are moving large pieces of their business, more commoditized things like word processing, email. Those services, antivirus, anti-spam, those services are all being delivered from a cloud technology today.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes with Mike Meloy, CEO of Data Recovery Services. Sponsored by Valley Office Solutions. Make your business fly.
Who's under your desk? Don't trust your network to just anyone. Call the networking professionals at Valley Office Solutions.